Santa knows what you did. You started it, though. Oh, no, I didn't. He's lying. He's a liar. He's a liar. We're never going to see them again. But anyways, welcome, everyone, to the world-famous Jingle Cruise. Wait, I'm sorry. Jingle Cruise. Sorry, that was my first Noel. My name is Josh, and I will be your tree trimmer, hall decker, popcorn stringer, and secret Santa for the next... Wait. Forget about that last part. It was supposed to be a surprise. As we make our way around the jungle today, remember to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch your children. Everyone keep your eyes peeled for some airdropped cargo, okay? We're pretty homesick this year, and our family sent us a nice care package. We have no idea where it landed. We begin our journey here in the Amazon, otherwise known as the I Want to Go See Santa River. If you look on either side of the boat back there on those logs, you might see some of our humbugs. And if you listen really closely, you can hear their call. Let's take a listen here. Bah! This is, I thought, the bah humbugs. And if you're feeling a little itchy, don't worry. It's just to please Navidad. If you look on either side of the boat there in the water, you might notice there's no dangerous fish in the area. That's because they're all off celebrating their favorite holiday, Veronica. As we round the corner up here, we are now entering the Congo River. So we're going to see just how far we can go here. Right up ahead on the beach there, my friends the Pygmies, they set up a nice holiday welcome party for us. Up there in full swing. It's got all the fixings. It's got the eggnog, the fruitcake, the karaoke, the dancing, the ugly sweaters, all that good stuff. Let's see what we got going. Oh, no, never mind. Nobody's there. Y'all must have went off and did some last-minute holiday shopping, even though it's not even Thanksgiving yet. Gotta wait till Black Friday for that. Get the deals. You know what, though? I think I can see what they got for Christmas. Can you? It's funny because they're kayaks, yeah. Oh, look at this, everyone. Someone got me a nice old tree for Christmas. And it's all wrapped up with a bow on top. Yeah, speaking of gifts, though, right up ahead on your right there, that's our gift wrapping station. Now, a lot of people were confused as to why we hired gorillas for this. But as you can see, their turnover is fantastic. I mean, just look at that. They're tearing through those orders. You know, last year they made a wreath out of shotgun shells. You know, it was a real blast to hang. Yeah. Anyways, moving on, we've entered the Nile River now. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. It's 4,000 miles long. Don't worry though, we got a really powerful engine on this boat. We'll get through in a couple minutes. The Nile River is extremely dangerous this time of year. It's got a really strong yuletide. And if you didn't pack any winter clothes for this trip, don't worry. I checked the forecast and there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. Right over on your left there, that's the second most feared animal in the jungle, an African bull elephant. And over here on your right, that's the most feared animal in the jungle, his mother-in-law. Known to come around uninvited, especially around the holidays. And right up ahead here, that's our very own Jingle Bell Rock. Now, a lot of people, they take it for granted. I'm not sure why, though. I think it's one of our bolder attractions here on the Jingle Cruise. They're very marvelous, if you ask me. No, look at this, everyone. All the animals, they grew out their winter coats so they don't catch pneumonia. Oh, look, there's the lions. They're having a family dinner. They invited the zebra over. Carve that meat up. Like white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, tail. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm totally kidding. He's just pretending to be asleep so he doesn't have to talk to extended family. I would do the same thing, honestly. Hey, has anyone ever seen the North Pole? No? That's not it. I see. Quick being chased by the rhinos. We're climbing up this pole. Hey, can you see Santa's sleigh from up there? You know, I tried to tell those guys a while back not to feed the rhinoceros any fruitcake. They didn't believe me, but it looks like they're going to get the point in the end. Wouldn't want to be the low man on that totem pole, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, as you round the corner up here, if you look up ahead, you're going to see the beautiful Schweitzer Glacier. One of the great natural wonders of the world. Such a marvel to look at. So beautiful, so majestic. It's named after the great German explorer, Dr. Oh my gosh, it's melting. Must have had a warm winter this year. We're gonna make a right up here, you guys, alright? Last time I came through here, I turned left. It was not good. A lot of terror, a lot of screaming. You know that I turned right this time. Anyways, you guys, feel all that mist, everyone. That's 800 different types of bacteria for you right there free of charge. The holiday gift from me to you. Merry Christmas. Oh, look at this over here on your right. That's my home. It's a little plain, but it's nice. I got a great deal on it though. It's half off. Got it right after last Christmas last year, yeah, when all the stores were all marked down. Anyways, you know, in all honesty, we all know that a downed plane in the jungle can only mean one thing, right? The hippos. Every time. We stumbled across a pool of hungry very hungry hippos, everyone. These are people, not marbles. I gotta be more specific with my Christmas list next year. Don't worry though, you guys. They're only wiggling their ears like that to stay warm, so they don't catch hypothermia. I mean, hey, it could always be worse though, right? They could be icebergs. We all know how that ended. Oh wait, never mind, you guys. It is worse. We've just entered headhunter territory now. This is a terrible place to be headed. Just ask my last crew. They're right over there. They didn't believe. Oh, look, a holiday party up here. And all your favorites are up here. Up there we got Dancer, Prancer. Oh, look at that, the little drummer boy. Oh, wait, I thought there's supposed to be 12. There's supposed to be 12 drummers drumming, you guys. Get your act together. Oh, no, carolers, get down, get down, get down. Unlock the door, make it like nobody's home. If you have any baby pudding, throw it. Throw your baby pudding. They won't know till they got some. They won't know till they got some. Okay, I think they stopped. Oh, look at this, everyone. We made it just in time for the moment you have all been waiting for. I now present to you all the eighth wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water. We're going to try that with eggnog this year, but we couldn't find a big enough gingerbread man to go with it. What has everyone? We've entered the Mekong River now, deep in the heart of Cambodia. Right up ahead, oh my gosh, wait. If I'm not mistaken, everyone, this is Santa's Southern Workshop. So everyone get excited, right? We got all the presents in there, we got all the animals, they're throwing a holiday parade. No, I don't know about this. Maybe I was mistaken. It's pretty dark in there, everyone. You better keep your eyes open, okay? You better watch out. I better not cry. Boat, a nice holiday special, 3 of his heads for 1 of yours. It's a great deal, you gotta consider it. No matter which way you slice it or dice it, you're always gonna come out ahead. Well, actually 2 to be exact, yeah. Well, you know, he especially likes the ones with the earrings on them. They jingle all the way home. And don't bring Sam to your holiday potluck this year, okay? He's gonna bring the whole family. You won't want that. But anyways, as we approach the most dangerous part of our journey here, that being the return of the sweater that didn't fit, just a final reminder to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until you're directed out by those holiday hams up there on the dock. But once we get up there to the dock, though, everyone on this side of the boat here and in the middle, you're going to go out that front door there. Everyone on this side, out that back door, just like the way you came in. Don't cross those crates in the middle, though. You already survived one bad trip on this boat. You don't need to take another one. It's also an automatic trip to the naughty list, too. You step over and stock. As we approach the dock there, remember to watch your hands and elbows, all right? Especially on this side over here. You don't want to experience any peer pressure. But I'd like to thank you all for touring with me today. Happy holidays. If you don't celebrate the holidays, happy Friday. If you don't celebrate Friday, get out. I'm sorry, was that rude? Please, get out. All right, everyone.